I set myself an immense task of reviewing all these courses about Java. Yeah, this video is about Java, specific to Java. And then making a video about this. I wrote about review these courses and I realized that it is going to take some time for me to do all these courses. These are not simple courses. These take time. And uh, if I am reviewing these courses 1 month at a time, it might be too late for a lot of you people. I think you should at least know what I personally consider the good courses, what I am actually learning right now. I will come with or come with come and talk about these videos, these particular courses after I have completed each one of them. I will do a detailed dive into it, but these are the courses that I have picked up right now. These are the courses that I think you should at least consider. These are not all courses, as you can see. Let's start with the first one. The first one is the Oracle Java courses. Oracle has owned Java from I think 2009 or 12, I don't know. So Oracle owns Java and they know it and they are grading. So they have made their courses very, very expensive, except for one course. The one course is Java Explorer. This course is free to do on my Oracle's website. Okay, if you go to mylearn.oracle.com and you search for this, this is the course that I am into. As you can see, I am into a bit of it, and I think these are my initial thoughts. I think it's a solid foundation making course. It might get a bit boring, I know, but it's a solid foundation course. Second thing, on Coursera, I will make a video later. You can audit a lot of courses for free. You do not have to buy all the courses, and sometimes you can get financial aid for the courses. For that reason alone, there are a lot of courses here from especially two, one from Duke University, one from LearnQuest. I only started LearnQuest because I didn't have the time right now, so I started with this. I think this would be much better. And remember, these are learning paths. I think you should see these two courses, the Duke University's Java course and the LearnQuest Java course. Currently, I have started this because I thought it might be easy to get into. That's why I have started it. This is an average course. The reason I am doing these courses on Coursera is because you get certificates. If you get a financial aid, you get a certificate. That's the reason of doing this. That's the reason of doing Oracle course. Moving ahead. So that was these two. The third, I think this is the most important one. Not only you get a certificate, this is the easiest way into starting to code right away. I mean, in the part one, getting started with programming course, the first thing that you do is set up an application. You set up this application TMC Beans that directly connects with the server here, and every code that you actually write in their IDE, the code that you actually write here gets synced up, and you are given a score based on that. As you can see, below is okay. No, hold on. I think it's in the second exercise. So let me show you. So this is Ada Lovelace. This is a boiler point code, and you have to actually write the code. You don't have to write the code here. You have to write the code in an IDE. This is the Ada Lovelace code. As you can see, it takes a while to start up on my system. Yeah, so that's the point, and I think this is an excellent course. MOOC.5 is an excellent course, and I don't know why there aren't, every country, why doesn't they have something like this? Yeah, moving ahead. JetBrains, I think you have heard about JetBrains. JetBrains Academy are the ones who make IntelliJ IDEA. You have heard about the IDE, IntelliJ IDEA, and its and its capabilities. So I went ahead to JetBrains Academy. I applied for financial aid. I got the financial aid, and I realized you do not get certification if you get the financial aid, unlike Coursera. So you do not do this course for certificate. You do this course to learn. Moving ahead, CA is Code Academy. It also has a bit of a few free courses. Okay, there are few courses. So this is free. Learn Java, learn intermediate Java. Again, no certificate, but it's free. Or maybe it has certificate. I don't remember. The point is, you do not do this. Okay, you earn certificate with Pro. You have to pay for the certificate. Yeah. Moving ahead. Hacker rank, I already talked in the video right now. It has an excellent Java thing. The thing is, you have to know a bit. You can't just start from zero. The difference between this and MOOC 5, in MOOC 5 you can start from zero. In hacker rank you have to know a bit from wide. But this is, as I have told in the earlier video, this is very, very important if you are planning to, apply for a job. Now, the other two videos I want to talk about, I will have to open some things up. Oh, I forgot about one course actually. So actually two courses. The first is Pearson's IT certification by Simon Roberts. And I thought this was an amazing course. I mean, I started every other course. I was, walked around like a baby. I was being told, oh, this is a variable, this is this, this is this. And if you have done just a bit of coding before, if you start to burn up, you are like, what the hell am I learning? This, on the other hand, is on a completely different level. This is the video that, I mean, if you are looking for, I mean, why Java? What is Java? I mean, how is it different? What is the working behind? What the things are that are out there that are actually being hidden from me from the first. It feels like to get to a certain point in other courses, you have to watch an hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour video. This video starts with the core points. This video starts and talks about important things. This is an excellent course. I mean, honestly, this is an excellent course. This is just $240, but the smart among you will know. The other thing, it's CS106A. This is the first course I took back in college. I mean, when I was studying another major and I had to choose where to start, and this is the course I took. Remember, this does not say Java in the title. This is a programming methodology course. And if you have the time, because this is a complete class course, it takes time to complete this course. If you have the time, this is an excellent course to build your foundation for all of programming. This is an excellent course. I can tell you that it will take time to do. This is a proper course. It will take time to do. Hence, I would not recommend it for someone who is looking for a quick job, who is planning to get a job immediately, but who is in college. They just moved into the college, maybe in their, freshman or sophomore year. You're still there. You don't have that much load. This is an excellent course to start. Excellent, I would say. It might be old. It might be that the Eclipse doesn't look or run the same way as it is taught in the video. Might be some things break, but this course is excellent beyond measure. I don't know how many times I have said this. It is excellent. The things you learn from this course, you apply in your real coding life, and those are the things that makes you stand out. Instead of writing line by line a code, instead of writing, you write methods first, you write functions first, and then you define them later. These are little concepts that make you stand out from other coders who just blindly start coding. And you will learn about these in this course. This is an excellent course. I did about half of it back then, and life happened. Maybe I do. Oh yeah, this 9 number. It is about a specific YouTube video. It is how to begin thinking like a programmer. YouTube. If you start YouTube while you are studying, you are most guaranteed to find yourself looking at something else that you were not intending to do. You will find yourself wasting time. Hence, I do not recommend you start learning from YouTube. However, if you have the time, you're going out and doing some things like that. I will link this playlist down. Okay, these are fun videos. These are fun videos to watch. These are good videos to know about. These are not study videos. These are fun videos. You must watch them and you might learn a few things or two. I have only added 2 videos in this. Once I find more, I will add more. It's in my channel, in my playlist, it's saved. I cannot guarantee if I will link the video or not. I have to make like 5 more videos now. Okay, so this video is excellent. How to think like a programmer. But this is not study. Moving ahead from that, stop taking hard notes. Stop taking notes in your hard copy. Now, this I know is not what everyone wants to do. Not everyone wants to hear. Everyone likes to write from their own pen and pencil. I understand that. I have been there. But the thing is, can you guarantee me that what you have written down in your notes, you will go through all those notes every day? If you can guarantee me that, you can go ahead and you can keep your hard copy, you can keep your pen, and you can keep make notes there. Don't start writing everything. Remember, in your notes you write things that you learn, you write things which you deem important. Don't start writing down all the Java docs in your notebook. The point I'm making is, the reason you do this on an online platform like Google Docs is that not only you can access it from multiple location, the most important thing is you can convert this into an audiobook. That is the excellent thing about it. Now that I have this, I can convert this into an audiobook, or I can go to my phone. And if you remember the earlier video, I talked about an app. You know what? Here is the thing. I know I will forget to add the links. That's why I'm showing you online. If I know I will forget. I already have bunch of messages waiting for me. It's a sale in India and they are asking me to suggest laptops for them. Anyways, yeah. So my point is, if you remember this video, where is the video? Where is the video? Yeah. Playbooks as audio on Android for free. That was the point of making this video. I didn't make this video for just fun. The reason I made this video was for this. It was so that you can convert your written notes into an audiobook. And once it's converted into an audiobook, half an hour audiobook doesn't seem fun.
Oracle Courses 2. Java Explorer 2. Overview 2. Java is a C-like family of programming language.
Now, when you hear that while you're running, while you're going out, when your hands are free, you cannot study, repetition is important. Repetition is very, very important when you are learning anything. It doesn't have to be programming. When you are learning anything, and for that reason alone, I say you start typing out. And the important thing is, you do not write everything. You write things which you feel are important. You write things which you think you should hear multiple times, and you delete things you already know. That's why the notebook is personal to you. Okay, is there anything else I wanted to talk about? Yeah, I know it is a hollow video. I know. I should have made this video after I should have gone through each courses. I should have practiced everything, and I should have made this video after I have got my job in 2 or 3 years time, and I am working for a big huge corporation like Oracle or Microsoft or Adobe. Then I should have made this video. But I wanted to start this journey with you. I do not consider YouTube as YouTube. I treat YouTube as Twitch. I consider everyone who comments there as a real person, and I like to connect with them. And if you are on this Java learning path, please connect with me. You will see on the links on my homepage. And here is the thing. It's easy to say something about a particular course. It's easy to do anything when you have already got the course, when you already have learned computer science as your major, when you already are that smart that you can get this job, and when you are But when you are changing fields, when you are like me, when you have changed fields, when you have come to something that is completely new at a, in your 30s, it becomes difficult. And I think we need people like each other to support. I think we need people like similar minded people, just for sharing the experience with each other, just for letting us know how well are we doing, how well are we not doing. On the same topic, I started, this is a bit embarrassing, but if you go to my website, if you go to my blog and you click on in progress my developer journey, I actually started to write down everything, how my life is going, why I couldn't focus, and everything down there. Before YouTube, I used to blog. Back then, when I was college, I used to blog. And the reason I am sharing this now is because I had become distracted. I wanted some kind of accountability, even from someone who I might not know now. That's the reason I made this video. And the other reason was I wanted you to see this before it's too late. I wanted you to see what I think is good. I don't want you to be region specific while you are learning. Do not be specific to anything. Do not be specific to a learning course just because you know that one language. Do not be, do not be specific to a particular country just because you were born there. Get your knowledge globally. That is my point. Get your knowledge globally. Learn from the best. As Eminem said, why be a king when you can be God?